Hello students, I welcome you to Eduno classes. Before starting the lecture, let me introduce myself and my institute before you. Eduno Tech Private Limited is an institute which works towards betterment of students' academic career. We also hold various level competitive examinations so as to give students the right exposure of the level of competitive exams. I am Shubha Patel and I have completed my schooling from Delhi Public School Prayagraj and I am currently in BTech third year Mechanical Engineering from JSS Academy of Technical Education. Let us start with today's lecture. Today's lecture we will learn all the trigonometric ratios: cos theta, sin theta, tan theta, sec theta, cosec theta, cot theta, all the ratios. I have already explained you sin theta upon cos theta. Sin theta and cos theta. Suppose this is your right angle triangle that we are talking about. ABC, how will we write is ACB is equals to 90 degree. Why? Because C is the 90 degree angle and when we represent angle, the point at which the angle is formed is written in the middle and the consecutive two points are written on the sides. Fine? This is why we have written it like this. Now suppose this is our angle theta. So sin theta is, the standard formula for sin theta that I have explained to you is opposite side of theta. Opposite side of theta upon hypotenuse, and cos theta is base side of theta upon hypotenuse. Okay. Now for this particular triangle, the opposite side of theta is BC. So BC and hypotenuse is AB, and cos theta becomes base side of theta, which is AC upon AB, which is the hypotenuse. Fine. For this particular triangle, suppose I am taking this triangle where theta is this. So, and we shall write something like this. So, sin theta for this particular triangle will become opposite of theta upon base. Here the opposite is AB and base is AC, and cos theta will become base to the theta where it is, here it is BC and hypotenuse is AC. Okay, the triangle changes, the sides also change, but this standard formula remains the same. Fine students. Now new trigonometric ratio that we have today is tan theta. So students, the formula for tan theta is, remember, opposite side of theta, I'll write it like this: opposite side of theta upon base side of theta. Fine, my friends. So for this question, for this triangle, opposite side of theta is BC. For this particular triangle, BC, and base side is AC. Fine. Now the remaining two ratios, three ratios, that is cosec, I'll just make this triangle over here, A, B and C. I have made this triangle here. Now we are left with three other trigonometric ratios. Remember these three trigonometric ratios. Sin theta is equals to opposite side of theta upon hypotenuse. Cos theta is equals to base side of theta upon hypotenuse. Tan theta is equals to opposite side of theta upon base side of theta. Here there is involvement of hypotenuse, here it is not. Okay. Now we are left with other three trigonometric ratios. The first is cosec A, then is sec A, and then it is cot A. So my friends, let me tell you this. Cosec A is nothing but reciprocal of sin A. So you can take A or theta. Here we have taken theta, so we will continue with that. Theta is nothing but angle A for this triangle. Okay, theta is nothing but angle A. Cosec theta, as I told you, is nothing but reciprocal of sin theta. Fine. So reciprocal of sin theta becomes reciprocal. Numerator will go in denominator, denominator will go in numerator. It will become hypotenuse upon opposite side of theta. Fine. Hypotenuse upon opposite side of theta, you can write it as AB upon BC for this triangle. Hypotenuse is AB and opposite side of theta is BC. Fine. Sec theta is nothing but inverse or reciprocal of cos theta. Fine. Sec theta is nothing but reciprocal of cos theta. So reciprocal of cos theta is hypotenuse upon base side of theta. For this particular triangle, hypotenuse is AB and base side is AC, that is reverse, AB upon AC. Okay, and tan cot theta is nothing but reciprocal of tan theta. Tan theta is opposite side of theta upon base side of theta, so cot theta will become inverse, that is base side of theta upon opposite side of theta. BC upon AC will become reciprocal, it will become AC upon BC. Base side of theta upon opposite side of theta. Fine. So there are two are the most fundamental formulas, and then this is the third one. It's important, but these are the most fundamental. You can find tan theta with the help of sin theta upon cos theta. I will show you how in the future videos. Okay. So sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. I will try to make you remember these formulas because it's very important. We cannot go on to waste our time. Sin theta is equals to opposite side of theta upon hypotenuse. Cos theta is equals to base side of theta upon hypotenuse. Tan theta is equals to base side of theta upon opposite side of theta upon base side of theta. Next we have cosec theta. Cosec theta is nothing but reciprocal of sin theta. So sin theta was base side of opposite side of theta upon hypotenuse. So cosec theta will become hypotenuse upon opposite side of theta. Sec theta is inverse or reciprocal of cos theta. Cos theta was base side of theta upon hypotenuse. So sec theta will become hypotenuse upon base side. Fine. Cot theta is tan theta reciprocal. Tan theta was opposite side of theta upon base side of theta. So cot theta will become base side of theta upon opposite side of theta. Fine. Just remember that there are these two formulas, the most fundamental. Tan theta is again important, and then cosec theta is reciprocal of sin theta, sec theta is reciprocal of cos theta, cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. Now my friends, let me tell you this thing that tan theta can be found in terms of sin theta and cos theta. What if, that if there is something like AB by BC, or this AB and BC is not necessarily from here, just AB or BC. If we can multiply both the sides by x and x, there will be no difference. Fine. Or we can divide AB by BC by x, both in numerator and denominator, then also it will make no difference, right? We cannot add or subtract same thing in the ratio because then it will make some difference. We cannot write 4, if there is 4 by 3, then we cannot write plus 1 plus 1. We can only multiply or divide. We cannot add or subtract. This is the basic, I am sure you must be knowing. So here we are doing nothing but dividing numerator and denominator by hypotenuse. Fine. The formula that we know about tan theta is opposite side of theta upon base side of theta. I am dividing numerator and denominator both by hypotenuse. So now this will become opposite side of theta upon hypotenuse, that is sin theta, and this will become base side of theta upon hypotenuse, that is cos theta. So tan theta is equals to sin theta upon cos theta. Fine. Tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta. I can also explain you using this. Tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. We know sin theta is opposite side of theta upon hypotenuse, and cos theta is base side of theta upon hypotenuse. Fine. Now this will go up, so it will get inverse. Opposite side of theta upon hypotenuse divided by base side of theta upon hypotenuse. Now divide will change into multiply, and this will get inverse, hypotenuse upon base side of theta. Hypotenuse got cancelled. Now we are left with opposite side of theta upon base side of theta. This is the formula, right? This was the formula. Tan theta was equals to opposite side of theta upon base side of theta, and we have derived it using sin theta upon cos theta. So tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Now let us write all the trigonometric ratio in the form of sin theta and cos theta. Let me rub this as well. So my friends, how many trigonometric ratio we have? 6. The most fundamental are sin theta and cos theta. Then the most important after them is tan theta. Then we have cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. We know cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta can be written as inverse of sin, cos and tan. I want to tell you that we can write all the trigonometric ratio in terms of sin theta and cos theta. So we already have sin theta and cos theta. Sin theta is equals to opposite side of theta upon hypotenuse. Cos theta is base side of theta upon hypotenuse. Now the other 4, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, cot theta. We know tan theta is equals to sin theta upon cos theta. Cosec theta is equals to 1 upon sin theta. Sec theta is equals to reciprocal of cos theta. Cosec theta is equals to reciprocal of sin theta. Sec theta is equals to reciprocal of cos theta. And cot is reciprocal of tan theta. And tan theta is sin upon cos. So reciprocal of sin upon cos will become cos upon sin theta. So we have expressed all trigonometric ratios in terms of sin theta and cos theta. Fine. Where theta is an angle other than 90 degree for any triangle, right angle triangle. Fine. Just copy this down and we can move on. I hope you guys are through with all the trigonometric ratio that I have explained to you. In the next video, we will learn some identities and solve a few questions on trigonometric ratio. Thank you students for watching our videos.